Hello guys! Welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to add a real-time live subscriber count overlay directly into OBS Studio. First, open your browser, head to youtube.com, and log into your YouTube Studio dashboard. Go to the left sidebar, click Analytics, and look over at the right-hand side panel under the Real-Time section to find and click See Live Count. This opens your live tracker page. Copy the entire web link from your browser's address bar. Next, switch over to OBS Studio, go to your sources dock, click the plus icon, and select Browser. Name this source subcount and hit OK. Paste your copied URL directly into the URL text box and click OK. To authenticate the feed, right-click your new subcount source inside OBS and select Interact. When the login window pops up, simply enter your Google account details to sign into your channel. Once logged in, your live count dashboard will render perfectly. To clean up the edges, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard while dragging the borders to crop out the extra space, and resize it to fit your layout. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.